In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar to Todoist through an easy integration process. Let's get started by opening up your preferred web browser and heading to the Todoist login page. You can get there by typing apptodoist.com, log in into the address bar. Once you're on the login page, simply enter your credentials to access your Todoist account. It's important to keep your login details safe and private for future reference. After logging in, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen where you should see your avatar. Clicking on your avatar will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, go ahead and select the Settings option, which will take you to your account settings page. This is where the magic begins for integrating your calendars. Within the settings, you'll notice several tabs, but for our purpose today, we want to focus on the Calendars tab. Click on it. This section is crucial because it allows you to manage your calendar integrations directly within Todoist. Once you're in the Calendars tab, you'll see a button labeled Connect Google Calendar. This is the main feature we're looking for, so go ahead and click that button. Upon clicking, you'll be directed to a permissions page. It's essential to check the required permission boxes you encounter. Doing so ensures that Todoist can integrate smoothly with your Google Calendar, thus enabling seamless task management. Permissions are a key part of letting these two platforms sync effectively, so don't skip this step. At this point, you'll need to decide which calendars you want to synchronize with Todoist. You have the option to sync all your tasks with Google Calendar. To make this happen, find the Sync Tasks to Calendar option and toggle it on. This is helpful if you want all your tasks, regardless of their nature, to be available on your Google Calendar. Furthermore, if you want Todoist to incorporate tasks that only have a date without a specific time, ensure you also toggle on the Sync All Day Tasks option. This step allows you to maintain a comprehensive view of all your scheduled tasks, leaving nothing out. By following these steps, you've now successfully connected Google Calendar to Todoist. This integration empowers you to manage your tasks more efficiently across different platforms, significantly enhancing your productivity. You've set yourself up to easily access and update your tasks, viewing them alongside your pre-scheduled calendar appointments. Implementing this connection means organizing your tasks can now become a stress-free part of your daily routine. I hope you found this walkthrough informative and straightforward to follow. Once you're familiar with the process, managing tasks between these two platforms becomes second nature. Enjoy your newfound productivity, and remember to check back for more tips and tricks on optimizing your digital organizational tools. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you need further assistance with this or any other digital tool setup.